Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a non-vegetarian recipe with you, and that is bharleli wangi with shrimps. Now let's see the ingredients required for this. I've taken some 7 to 8 small size brinjals. I've slit them into 4 pieces and I've kept the stems. Here I've taken a small onion, 2 onions and a big onion. I've chopped them. Then I've taken 1 cup of shrimps. I've soaked them in water for 10 minutes. And here salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and a Pata Hai Prabhu garam masala. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon each of garlic and ginger paste. Now let's mix all the ingredients. So I'm mixing all the ingredients, and yes, are you missing something? A regular bharleli wangi have a lot of coconut in that. Okay, so no coconut here, so no grating, no grinding. It's so simple and quick to prepare this dish. You're going to love it. Now that we've mixed all the filling, let's start stuffing our brinjals. You have to soak the brinjal in salty water. So the brinjal even has salt, covered with salt. And now here you can see how I'm firmly filling the brinjal with the filling and pressing it lightly so that the stuffing stays intact. Yummy, isn't it? And taste it turns out just yummy, but even a presentation you can you can try this. Now I've filled all my brinjal, the stuffing. Now I've heated oil. I think it's 3 tablespoons. I will be giving you the recipe ingredients in the description box below. Fine. So if I miss out on some measurements, now here I'll add hing and then 1 bay leaf. Okay. Here that 1 small onion that I chopped, I will just saute the onion now. You don't have to make the onion brown, but just lightly saute this onion. And now we will start placing our stuffed brinjal with shrimps. Here the brinjals I have using here are in different size. So try and get equal size so that it's easy, cooking turns out easy. Here some of my brinjals are really very big, so they may take a little longer, and the small ones will cook before that. So you have to be very careful that you get approximately equal size of brinjal. Fine. So now here I've placed all the brinjals, and whatever filling was left, I'll just sprinkle it on top. Now I will cover it with a water lid, but before that I'll just sprinkle a little water, which I don't do otherwise, but this is only because of the big size, uneven size brinjal that I'm cooking. Now I've kept the lid and I'll keep water on that I call as water lid. It helps in cooking the brinjal fast, and it will not burn. The brinjal will not burn the water. Now I just kept it for 5 minutes, but I'll just check the brinjal and I'll turn them so that they're cooked on the other side too. Here you can see now I will turn each and every brinjal. You can see the change in the color. Wow, my kitchen is full of this bharleli wangi with shrimps aroma. And I have to go well with it. I'll be preparing bhakris. I'll be preparing jwariji bhakri, and I've used a different method this time. for preparing the bhakri, and of course I'm going to share that with you too. So just after this video I'll be sharing jwarichi bhakri with you. Fine. So now here I will again keep the brinjal to cook. There you can see how the brinjal look at this stage. Now again I've kept the water lid for the brinjal to cook completely. Yep, it's time to check the brinjals. And you can see in the other stove my jwarichi bhakri is even getting ready. So friends, our brinjal is ready, bharleli wangi. If there's little water, I'll cook it for some time without the lid so that all the water, that is the excess water, will evaporate. Yummy. Okay friends, if you've liked today's recipe, do not forget to press the button like, share and subscribe. And the bell, you all remember the bell. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.